Hello and welcome. My name's Tim and I'm here with my third tutorial for C#. In this tutorial I want to cover loops in a bit more detail, and I'll be using the example from our previous video of the rock paper scissors game, which I'll just open up now. Hopefully it'll look familiar. So what I'd like to do in terms of functionality for this video is to add the ability for you to play the game multiple times, as if you play the game now, and I'll show you, the game will end after one play of the game, which isn't particularly useful. I don't know about you, but I tend to, well, in the past I would play multiple rounds of rock paper scissors, best 2 out of 3, etc. So, anyway, let's get to the code, and I hope you enjoy the video. So one of the key benefits of a computer is it can do lots of calculations very quickly. So, looping is one of the best ways to take advantage of this, and as you might guess, it lets you repeat a series of steps multiple times, again and again, based on some criteria. So for operators, I'm thinking that we should have, so again we prompt if they want to play, and then they complete the game, and then where we hit the end of the game, which is normally here, if they haven't quit, then you'll go back and prompt them to ask again. So to do this, we can use a do while loop. So do, and then open brackets, close brackets, and I'll put this code within the loop. And put this bit as well. Got one too many brackets, there we are, I think. I need to get rid of this, that's why I don't need this anymore. So one of the good benefits of it is you can see the corresponding bracket if it's even off the screen, which is quite helpful. So now we've got the logic that will repeat. You then put while, and then this is the conditions which it will repeat on. So say player wants to play again, and obviously we haven't created this variable yet, so it's what I've read. So let's create this quickly. Let's go up to the beginning here and have a bool, so boolean. I'm going to set this to false to start with, and then when they say yes, we'll just say player wants to play again is true. So this will then go through, complete the logic, and so now this is always true because we're setting it up here, and this is never changed anywhere else. So now what we need is when they finish, just before it ends, we want to ask the player, would you like to play again? Again, question mark. Yep. Console right line. There we are. And then we can do another console read key. And get that value assigned. Okay, so it's a good opportunity, I think, to do tertiary. I think it's tertiary. My pronunciation might be wrong. Tertiary operator, but still. So what this is lets you create a new variable. So there you go. For players replay choice, and then you pick a condition that it checks, similar to if statement. So in this case, gonna have console.readKey is equal to y. So that's a yes. And if that is true, then you put a question mark to determine if the statement is true, this logic will run. So we go player wants to play again is equal to true, and if they don't press Y, then the logic after semicolon is used. So in this case, player wants to play again is equal to false. Do need the variable even though it's not really used. So that's one way to do it. You could also do an if you wanted. This isn't strictly needed, but I wanted to introduce you to another construct that's available in C#. So now I will run this, and hopefully, oh, I've lost the bracket somewhere. Let's see. Ah, yeah, let's put one on the end there for the namespace. And we'll run this and see how it goes. So, yes, I want to play. Use rock. Would you like to play again? Yes. Paper. You lose. Okay, so it's looping. This is good. So if I go end for no, it closes. Okay. So now we have a basic loop. Now, as you might have guessed, it's to do a little bit of cleanup, possibly a few other things like clearing this console after a couple of games, because it's going to eventually go off the screen if you keep playing. Possibly score tracking maybe in a future episode, things like that. So anyway, I'll see you next time, I hope, and I'll expand this video a bit more. Possibly add some scoring, a few other things, and hope to just give a nice little project which will have some examples of different aspects of C# that you can use as a point of reference going forward. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.